Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can have an animated profile picture on your Google account. So let's begin. First of all, you need to identify that which picture or pictures you are going to use as an animating picture on your Google profile. For this video, I am going to use these two pictures. So if I open picture 1, you can see that it has a white background. If you have a picture and if you want to use the default background, you can go with it. However, if you want to remove the background so that you can add more colors and personalize it, then first of all we need to open a website. You are going to open this website remove.bg. The link will be in the video description. So what we are going to do is to click on the upload image button, select the file that we want to remove the background, click on open, and what it will do is to remove the background from our image, and it's completely free, so we don't have to worry about it. Once the background has been removed, we are going to click on the download button. Once you have downloaded the images without the background, you're going to open the website Jitter video. I will also put this website link in the video description. So when you're going to open this website for the very first time, you need to make a free account. It has a premium and free version. For our purposes, we can use the free version. We are going to use this website to animate our pictures. Once you have created your account and logged into Jitter, you're going to click on create new file. First of all, we're going to resize the canvas. So on the left in size, just enter 360 and here 360 as well, and it should automatically become a square. After that, we're going to click on the image icon on the top left side. Here we're going to select both of our images without the background. Click on open. Both the images will be present. We will set them later. And make sure you select the scene button. We're going to go to the background, and you can give or change the background color to anything according to your need, which best suits your image or your logo. In my case, I'm going to use this particular color. After that, all we need to do is to set the animation. So first of all, I'm going to select my first picture, move it to the top, and what I am going to do is make sure first the image is selected, go to the right side, click on the animate button, click on new animation, and we're going to select slide in, but you can use from any of these animations that are available. Make sure that you are in the in page, click on slide in, and you're going to have this timeline view. Once it is completed, click anywhere else, click on new animation again, making sure that picture number 1 is selected. Now we're going to go to the out page, and we're going to select the same transition or animation that we used, which was slide in. We are going to use slide out now, so it's going to give us some animation like this. After that, we're going to select our second image, go to new animation. Again, you can use the same animation or a different one. I'm going to again use slide in, but for now I'm going to select the direction to be up, and again click anywhere else, make sure second image is selected, new animation, go to out, slide out, and I'm going to give it the same direction. So now in the timeline view, I can actually reduce the size of the animations and so on, but I am not going to do this. But if I play the video from the very start, here are how the animations will look on your Google profile. However, once you are finished, go to the top right side, click on export. From here, select the option GIF 2x. It's going to open a new tab where it will render the animation. So it's rendering our animation. It will give you a preview of the animation. You're going to see the jitter watermark on the lower right side. However, you do not have to worry about it because it will not be shown in our picture. So we're just simply going to click on that download button. Here I have logged into my Google account, of which I want to change the profile picture. On the top right, you're going to see your picture or avatar. Click on it and click on manage your Google account. From here, click on your picture, click on this camera icon, click on add profile picture from computer, and we're going to upload the GIF that we just created. And from here you can crop or rotate it. However, you can see that the jitter video watermark is by default removed, so we don't have to worry about it. and this is how your animation is going to look on your Google profile. Click on next, click on save as profile picture, and we are done. So yeah, in this way you can have this animating profile picture on your Google account. This will take some time to be reflected on all other platforms or to other users, but anyways in this way you can do so. For now you can see that I have this cool animating profile picture on my Google account. If you guys liked this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comments section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.